Hello and welcome to German Lessons with Mr. Ferguson. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Deutschunterricht mit Herrn Ferguson. Die 5. Stunde, the 5th lesson, ist, wie man eine Kombination der deutschen Vokale ausspricht. Pronouncing a combination of German vowels.
Bevor wir anfangen, please remember to like this video, bitte klickt Gefällt mir, and to subscribe to my channel, so that I can keep helping you with your German. Bitte vergesst nicht zu abonnieren. If you're enjoying my videos, please consider buying me a coffee by clicking the banner now. All contributions are gratefully received and allow me to continue to bring you new and exciting German content whilst keeping it free to access on YouTube. Thank you to those of you who have already contributed. It's very much appreciated. Vielen Dank.
First of all, it's worth saying that if you haven't watched the 4th video in this series, Pronouncing German Vowels, that the basic pronunciations are covered in that video and are required to understand this video fully. The German alphabet has the same 5 vowels as the English alphabet, but an additional 3 vowels. These are easily spotted due to the umlaut, the 2 dots hovering above the letter. The German vowels are A, E, I, O, U, A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. If you've watched the 4th video in this series, you should be happy with the sounds of these vowels. I would therefore suggest that you look at these words and think about how they would be pronounced. Feel free to pause the video between words if you'd like a moment to think. Rat, Debatte, Vater, Essen, Lotto, Rot, Hund, Hunde, Pfund, Hut, Käse, Männer, Böse, Öffnung, grün, dünn. In German, there are often vowel combinations, and these make different sounds. The first is A and U together, which makes an Au sound. For example, braun, meaning brown, or Frau, meaning woman or Mrs. The next is A umlaut and U, which makes an Oi sound. The same sound is made with E and U. For example, Manuel Neuer, a German goalkeeper. Fräulein, meaning miss. Scheu, which is a word for shy. Often, with nouns that have an Au, they get their plural in Oi. For example, Baum, meaning tree. Bäume, meaning trees. Maus, meaning mouse. Mäuse, meaning mice. Traum, meaning dream. Träume, meaning dreams. The combinations of A and I, E and I, as well as A and Y, and E and Y, all make an I sound. For example, Main, as in the river Main. Bayern, the German word for Bavaria. Rhein, the river Rhine. Frei, meaning free. Breit, meaning wide. Webseite, meaning website. Teil, meaning part.
Meier, a common surname in German-speaking countries. Or Speyer, a German city in the southwest, not far from Heidelberg.
The combination of I and E will always sound like I. For example, die, which is another word for the. Wie, meaning how, as in wie heißt du. Biene, meaning bee. Fliege, meaning fly. One of the most common errors in German is the confusion of I and I. And unlike in English, the pronunciation of these vowel combinations in German is always consistent. It's important to get them right, as the wrong vowel combination can change the meaning of the word. For example, Wein, meaning wine, as opposed to Wien, which is the capital city of Austria, Vienna. Leider means unfortunately, but Lieder means songs. If you see another combination of vowels, such as U and A, or E and O, or similar, the chances are that they will be pronounced as two separate vowel sounds and are probably either part of a name or part of a compound word, a word which is made up of several words put together, either a combination of nouns or a verb with a prefix or something like that. For example, Leo, a name for a boy in Germany. Beobachten, meaning to observe. Zueinander, to one another, for example.
Another vowel combination that confuses people is a double letter, for example a double E or a double O. As I mentioned before, often these vowel combinations, particularly double E, appear as a result of two parts of a word being put together. For example, beenden, to end. The verb enden exists, and the prefix be usually implies that the verb is being done to something else. In the example of enden versus beenden, enden is something which happens naturally, as in something comes to an end, whereas beenden means the person takes action in order to stop something. Other examples are beeinflussen, to influence, and beeindrucken, to make an impression on someone. If the double E appears within a word, such as in the word Beere, berry, it would be pronounced as a long E sound. Beere. Some more examples. Erdbeere, strawberry. Himbeere, raspberry. Moschee, mosque. Fee, fairy. The same thing happens for double O. The most well-known word with a double O is doof, meaning stupid. Its correct pronunciation is doof, but it's often mispronounced doof by English learners. Nothing backfires more quickly than mispronouncing the word stupid.
I think it's worth pausing the video now just to recap yourself on all of the German vowel combinations that we've discussed here. Habe ich etwas vergessen? Have I forgotten something? If you think I've missed a common vowel combination, please let me know by writing a comment below. Bitte schreibt einen Kommentar.
Finally, remember to click subscribe to receive all of my German lesson videos, language learning tips and updates. You can follow me on Instagram with the username Herr Ferguson or on Twitter under @HerrFerguson. Otherwise, from me, it's Danke und auf Wiedersehen.